What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode, Fishing Grubs. Monster Bass box again, folks. We're gonna be doing an unboxing, and we're here with Amy again, and we're gonna be going out and seeing if we can catch fish on only baits from the box. I'm actually gonna be throwing baits from this box and my previous box. This, let's hope, is the October box. I'm pumped to get this thing open. So, let's see what we got in here. God damn it, I should have cut this. All right. So, the better box, folks. If you're looking to grab yourself one of these, you can go ahead and hit the link in my description, and I actually get credit for that. So, I would really appreciate it if you go ahead and click that link for me before getting this box. Now, first things first, we got a 3/8 ounce Randy's Swim Runner. Randy Howell. Well, that looks pretty cool. I never use these, but it's the fall and spinner baits and stuff like that work. There's a little underspin kind of connected to the jig head, so it actually looks dope. We'll see what we can do with this thing. We got some Mustad hooks. 3/0 hooks. We got a dope sticker. We're gonna put that one on the yak because we put the last one on the car. That's sweet. Swimbaits. No, I love swimbaits. This one's gonna be used during the day, and it's a little live target. The only thing I don't like about this is this little hook on the bottom that you can put a treble hook on, because if I want to work this on the bottom, I know I got one of these before, and it got caught up in the weeds a lot more, and I don't like that. That's the one thing I would change about this damn thing, is I would just take that frickin' thing right off. Totally unnecessary. You hear me, live target? All right, we got this little creature bait, the X-Zone Adrenaline Bug. This would be great for flipping and pitching into some, under some docks, around some rocks. Might not use this today. This place is really weedy. This looks great paired with this. So I actually watched a video a couple days ago with somebody using a buzz bait and putting a toad runner on the back. That might be what happens today. We might get ourselves a huge blow up using a buzz bait with this little horny toad or whatever the hell it is from Great Lakes. That could work out really well for us. Some more Z-Man. These are the Finessed Shad. That looks freaking dope. Don't know if we'll be using this today since it's so weedy in here, but after the last box I opened, all those Z-Man products got mauled by some bass. So next time we're at a place where we can do that, we will. And then, of course, the Savage Gear bat. Now this is the smaller bat. I've never thrown this one, but the big one has gotten me some pretty darn good fish. I got a really nice pike and some nice bass on it out in the Midwest. And the first time I ever saw this thrown, Chris was throwing it when we went night fishing, and it got destroyed as soon as it started raining. And also we got this O-Meals 20% off coupon, which is pretty dope. I definitely want to check this stuff out. Apparently any liquid you put in the bag with the food will cook it, and I don't know if you guys saw Amy's unboxing, but she even said she talked to the guy and you could even use your own urine in a survival situation and it'll cook the food in the bag, which is freaking crazy. Must be some sort of chemical reaction. But that's it. That's the box. If you want to get yourself a Monster Bass box, like I said, please do me a favor, hit the link in the description, and it'll take you right over there and you can get set up. Again, the best thing about these boxes is that they are geared towards your region and what's going to be working for you when you get your box, unlike the other tackle boxes that are pretty much geared towards the south, and you get baits that just aren't ready for your colder water up here in the north. So get the better box, monsterbass.com. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Fishing Grubs.